I'm feeling adventurous, so I decided to try out the base coat as glue. Let's see if it works. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying out base coats as glue because I'm all about improvisation, using what you have to get what you want, and I really hope this works out. So first off, I'm just going to put a little bit of the base coat on the nail, just a little bit. I don't want to pack on too much. Now I think I've put enough. I'm just going to cover that right up. Now I'm going to place it on the nail. But what I just realized now is it can't stay unless I hold it with something. So I'm just going to have to use one of my fingers to hold that and put it in there for 1 minute into my nail lamp to dry. Then let's see. I really hope this works out. Okay, so this is dried and it's not coming off and it feels really hard. Like I can't pull it off or anything. So I think this worked out. I'm glad I was successful. I really am. So I'm just going to paint this up. I don't want to leave it plain. What color should we go with? I'm thinking blue. Yeah, blue is not really my thing, but I think like I said, I'm feeling adventurous today. So yes, I think we should definitely go with blue. Sky blue. Yes, sky blue should work. So I'm not going to put in any design or whatnot. I'm just going to leave it plain. The only reason I'm painting it is just so I wouldn't leave the nail like that, you know. So I'm just going to cover it up with a blue polish. And I think this blue is really giving, you know. I'm not really a blue person, but I feel like I'm feeling it. I'm done applying the blue polish, so next I'm just going to apply a top coat and I'll be done with this nail. Yes, I'm done and that's dried up. Like I said, this blue is giving something, definitely giving. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications. Please click that subscribe button. I promise you it doesn't bite. Just try it and see. It doesn't bite like at all. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.